it's Mano po. I mean, no matter what you say, kahit sabihin na hindi ka yung pinaka-main, it's still Mano po. So, it's something I wouldn't even have second thoughts about. So, in-accept ko naman siya agad. Yun lang. Mano po yun.
Oo nga naman, syempre kahit naman siwa siguro, hindi mo talaga dapat hanggang dapat thankful ka pa nga na pinili ka for Mano po dahil award-winning. Dati first, Best Picture, Best Actress, Best Supporting Actress, yung kasi sunod-sunod na kaya nga naging hanggang part 7 to kasi sobrang successful siya na anthology talaga. Kaya blessed ako sobra na pinili ako dito ng Mother Day. Thank you.
And for Sir Richard and Miss Jean, yung gaano kayo ka-pressure for this project kasi this is the 7th installment for the Mano po, and then all of the movies before the Mano po is successful. So ano yung pressure na?
Pressure siya. Oo, nakaka-pressure talaga. Niyayaya ko na nga sila kanina. Sabi ko, magsimba naman tayong pamilya. Magdasal tayo, punta tayong Baclaran, Quiapo, or wherever na, di ba, i-ask natin kay Lord, di ba? Kasi, una-una, napakaganda kasi ng storya talaga namin. Ng family, napakaganda. Pinaghirapan namin. Kumbaga, nag-commit talaga kami lahat dito sa pelikulang ito. So, at saka may magandang aral kasi siya na matututunan ng ating audience. So, pressure na sana ma-enjoy nila, na sana maging blockbuster. Ako, I'll be very, very honest, hindi kumita, maging blockbuster. Kumbaga, patok na patok sa takila. And it's for the whole family. Ano siya, pampasko talaga. Pampamilya, pampasko, walang pipiliing edad. Mula sa bata hanggang sa lola, lolo, yung ganyan. So, it's really for everyone. So, sana po ma-enjoy talaga nila. So, wala lang kami. We'll be praying for it talaga.
Okay.
Yes, of course may konting pressure talaga sa amin because we know that the past Mano Pos have been very, very successful. Ang daming mga awards na kuha nila. Basta dito, we just did our best. We think that this is the most authentic na Mano Po because kami yung medyo pure Chinese na nakakasalita talaga, and then we have real Chinese conversations here in this movie. And our director is Chinese also, so and the writer is Chinese also. So talagang dito, yung actors, yung director,
Mag-i-interview pa kayo
all have that Chinese background. So we've tried to make this film as realistic and as true as possible to the actual events. So hopefully, magugustuhan ng lahat ng tao.
Last question for everyone. What would you choose? Would you rather have an award or a box office movie? You have to choose one.
Ako box office.
Yeah, ako rin box office.